Construction. Satellite technology is improving and becoming cheaper. Before, people use costly tools like radar, but now we are really high quality images. That's a big problem. So we can use Surf-NeRF solve these issues to improve neural radiance field to work better with satellite images. Even with fewer images, it gives accurate surface details, making it easier and study and understand the object from the Earth. So this is image from the Earth surface. Let's move on key points. In key points, we have cost-effective developments, advantage over traditional sensors, surface Radiance Fields innovation, improved surface reconstructions. And it is chosen methodology, data visualization, and technical adoption and handling variability. In data methodology, we first do that with data collection, data processing, and then goes for data adoption. And we have some images, real images, and some images from satellites. We just need to dataset. And in qualitative results, in effective approach, novel view synthesis and surface evaluation, and then visual comparison, handling the shadow and lighting before and after, and then image highlighting differences. We have 4 data sets. First one is 004, second one is 068, and third data set name is 214, and fourth data set is name is 260. You can see these all images from the data sets. These are all images, and this is conclusion of this model. Model benefits: offer a cost-effective, accurate alternative to traditional models, adapt to environmental changes. And the big future perspective: optimization from a real-time application. And the images, in images, a fine testing, images processing, and efficient improvement. So now let's move how to run this project. So we need to install some dependencies. First we need to set up the environment, and then we install the pillow, image IO, and these are dependencies, and then we go for training. This is all the processing. Start with training. It takes more time. You can see here it took about 48 hours and more than for training. After the training, we run the project and check the final result. This is image from satellite, and this is image from after the processing the model. This is our final result. You can see. So this is my project. Thank you so much.